Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the timeless art of glowing naturally. No filters, no fancy makeup tricks, just pure radiance from within. Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you ready to unlock your inner glow? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Monica, and I'm here to guide you on this journey to luminosity. First things first, let's talk about what you put into your body. The key to a natural glow starts with nourishing yourself from the inside out. One word, antioxidants. Load up on those berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits. They're packed with vitamins and minerals that promote healthy, glowing skin. Next up, let's get moving. Exercise isn't just about getting toned, it's also about boosting circulation and flushing out toxins, leaving your skin looking fresh and radiant. Now, let's pamper that beautiful face of yours. Say hello to nature's skincare secrets. From honey and oatmeal masks to avocado and yogurt treatments, there's a natural remedy for every skin type. Honey and oatmeal mask. Mix mashed strawberries with honey and oatmeal to create a gentle exfoliating mask. Apply the mixture to your face, allowing the acid in the strawberries to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin. For a honey and oatmeal face mask, you typically leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Avocado and yogurt treatment. Mash half an avocado and combine it with yogurt and honey to make a hydrating facial mask. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for glowing, radiant skin. The avocado and yogurt treatment can be applied to the skin for approximately 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Gentle skincare practices are essential for skin glow. Opt for fragrance-free, non-comedogenic products and avoid harsh scrubs or exfoliants that can irritate the skin. Always use sunscreen with a high SPF to protect against UV rays. Recent research has shown that modern blue radiation erodes the protective layer of your skin, leaving the sensitive layers underneath out in the open. When that happens, your skin starts to oxidize, just like a bitten apple left out in the open. This oxidation is what you see on your skin as dark spots. However, there are natural ingredients that can form a protective barrier around your skin while clearing the oxidation and acting as a 24/7 shield until the protective layer of your skin has been fully renewed. There's a serum called ILLUDERMA that gathers both modern and sacred ingredients that have the power to clear dark spots, protect your skin and restore its healthy glow. Check the link in the description of the video. Experience the ultimate glow-up with ILLUDERMA. Say goodbye to dull skin and hello to radiant, luminous beauty. Elevate your skincare routine and unlock your natural glow with Serum ILLUDERMA today. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your skin and glow like never before. And don't forget to unwind. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, so take some time for self-care. Whether it's a soothing bath, meditation, or simply indulging in your favorite hobbies, prioritize moments of peace and tranquility. Remember, glowing naturally isn't about perfection, it's about embracing your unique beauty and radiating confidence from within. So go ahead, nourish your body, move with joy, pamper your skin, and prioritize self-love. Your natural glow is waiting to shine bright. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own natural glow tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay luminous.